welcome to the vlog. We are here right now, not packed for Korea. So in this corner we have Jada. We have my packages that I got for Korea, and then we have their bags. My bag is unpacked right here. I have all my stuff scattered everywhere on these tables. Mom is opening up her shoes right now, and these are the backpacks I'm trying out from Amazon. Yes. Woo! We leave at 7 a.m. tomorrow, so we have lots of time.
We're leaving at 3 a.m. in the morning because it takes an hour to get to Everett, give or take any accidents.
And then on top of that, we're going Everett to Honolulu, which is going to be like roughly 5 to 6 hours. And then we go Honolulu to Seoul. Woo! And that's going to take 11 hours.
We're going to have a flight attendant making bag party!
Yay! Yes, we're bringing goodies for the flight attendants. So we're making bags and goodies for them. And yeah, we just need to start packing. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, so we made it back from all of our errands. We went to the mall. What did we get? Oh, we got snacks, we got dinner, and I think that's all we did. Snacks and dinner, yeah. And now I'm putting together some flight attendant goodie bags. They say thank you on them. And my mom got all of these goodie treats. So let's see, we have Trader Joe's little chocolate bars, PB&J bars, High Chews, and then Chips Ahoy cookies, birthday cake, Heavenly Hunks mini organic birthday cake trays, these Pops popcorn chips, and High Chews, and then we also have some of these goodies to put in there. So I'm gonna get ready to stamp the little baggies here, and these are for the flight attendants on the way from Honolulu to Korea. And then we also got the flight attendants going from Seattle to Honolulu a little snacky snack too. So I'm gonna put these together right now, and then I have to figure out how to pack them all. So, hey Mom, I also got this little thank you stamp and stamp pad here, so hopefully we'll see how I do stamping this on. Okay, perfect. So that's the first one, and we're making 8 of these bad boys. And then after that, I think actually we're making 10 total. So we're making 10 total because we're also gonna make some for the agents also. Yeah. So next time you go on a trip, know to spoil your flight attendants. Just kidding, you don't have to, but it's always a fun thought, right? Alright, so bags are open, now time to stuff. First we got the Pops chips. Next on the list, Oreos and Nutterbutters. Reese's Pieces right here. These are so yummy. I love these. Hunky, heavenly, yummy goodness. Mom really went all out here. Last but not least, we have the Rolos. My mom really went all out. You do not have to do this for your flight attendants, but like I said, it is a nice gesture, and we are non-revving to Korea, so.
It's an 11-hour flight, so
it also is. It's an 11-hour flight, so we brought some goodies to munch on. Alrighty, and there you have it. Those are our flight attendant gifts for Korea on Hawaiian Airlines. Yay! Here we are. y'all. So we are packed up and
How did this get in here?
ready to leave. I'm trying to turn the light on. There we go. Okay, so here is my bag. Their bags are all packed up. And we need to head to the airport. So let's head on over to Painfield. Look at Seattle. She's leaving. This is security. I ride it. We made it to Painfield. Yes. So we made it through security. Literally all our bags got checked. Everything. Mainly food, they said in mine. Jada's jewelry, and my mom's was hand warmers. Don't take us anywhere, please. But we made it to Painfield. This is the cutest, bougiest little airport. I love it. They have fireplaces and everything going over there. Jada's thirsty. Yeah. And mom's gonna get some food literally over there. So already we secured the croissant. Thanks, mom. And the beaches mac and cheese. Now we have about an hour until we can check in. Alrighty, y'all, we made it to Hawaii and we collected our bags. Mom and Jada actually got first class on this flight and it's like the whole way through. I got exit row, so I got extra leg space, but we're gonna find mom now. Aloha and annyeong chingus, we made it. We're here. Here's the beautiful scenery of H&L Airport. We're headed to A15 right now. Let's go. The spam musubi from the Waikiki market. We'll see how it is. It came out fresh, so it's pretty good. It's spam musubi. And it's here in Hawaii, so our plane is right over there. Beautiful. We still have another, I think, like hour until boarding starts, so we're just chilling right now. Mom went to go check out the airport. Jada's charging her phone. I'm snacking and getting my stuff together. I have all of their little thank you bags down there, so just getting everything together until we make it on the flight. Alrighty, y'all, so we made it. Yay! We just got these little packety things right here. I don't know what it is. Did you say toiletries? Mom said toiletries. I'm not sure what it is, but Jada has her blanket already set, and I'm so excited. We're gonna meet Jay there. We're gonna get in around 7. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, Jada's gonna open it up. What's in it? Oh yeah, check out the nails. Glamnetics. Thank you for mine. Oh, okay. And then JJ got hers. Amazon. So Amazon. Cute. Oh, yeah. The charms. Struggling. Oh, I knew it. Eyelash. Oh, cute. And there's sunglasses. Oh, and earbuds. And okay, wait, let me show. Cutie. Mom needs these. Sunglasses. Going to knock it out. Cheers. Bye. Meal secured. I got more over here. And then JJ got chicken. It's not open yet. Let's see it. Alrighty, JJ, Mom got the chicken. She's opening. Good job. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, we're gonna eat. Alrighty, we're tasting. secured the limousine bus tickets, and it's gonna be about an hour-ish ride or so. Mom got some peach tea. It tastes very yummy, and yeah, the bus is here. Made it on the bus. Doing my hair and getting ready right now to sleep. Alrighty, we made it. We're gonna cross the street now. We're crossing the street for the first time in Korea. Guys, we made it. It's so cute! Guys, we made it to the Airbnb.
Oh my god. Wait, what's this button do? Oh gosh, I don't know how to clean.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, my mom is using the bidet for the first time. You should have heard her screams at first. Mom, how's the bidet going?
Oh, it's warm now.
To Hongdae. This is the fitty ditty. This is what I look like. And so, yeah, the Airbnb ended up being a little bit smaller than we thought. You enter through these doors right here. Washer, this, and then you go here. Fridge. I'm gonna have to do like a full little thing later, but basically this is the room.
Oh my gosh, dude.
We're not too far from Hongdae, which is nice, and yeah, so let's get ready. So we just got some convenience store goodies. We got peach juice, mandarin juice, and green apple juice. Yum. I'm gonna go get, we left one of the, oh no. I don't know if this is gonna turn on. Okay, so I might have accidentally turned the stove on. Hopefully not. But yes, we got the juices. We did leave one downstairs on accident, so I'm gonna go pick that up right now. And then we got these little triangles. I don't know what they're called, but we used to get these all the time growing up. So I'm gonna open it real quick. And then I'm gonna meet Jada downstairs and Jay. So you just open like this, and then you pull. I'm just gonna pull one side. I didn't pull it right, because if you pull it right, then it will just close. This side broke, but taste test is solid. Mom, you want a bite? Childhood wrapped up. There's the tuna, rice, and seaweed. It's like Korean musubi. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see y'all later.
Okay, thanks.
We've arrived. Here are the fitty ditties. Guys, Jada, what are you wearing?
I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, Urban Outfitters. In London. Converse.
Can't forget Labubu.
Instant oil. Korean brand.
Yes, one in Korea. And then
Take over real quick.
Open Edit Nostrums, Jada's Closet, Amazon tights, Amazon leggings, New Balances, and then skirt is from Aerie. Uniqlo. Laura May got this one for me, and Jada got me my little Labubu. Take pictures at the photo booth. Jada just got me these little cow ears. They match perfectly actually with my outfit. Oh, yours do too. Cute. But the fact that they have these hot irons just out and about so you can get ready is so cute. And it's literally just out. Like, that's the street. You come in here. It's not even monitored. You just go in itself. The US could never. No. So Jada just took some soda photos. These are her options here. I love how you can take 10 photos and then from there you get to select which ones that you want. Love that. ours are right here that we took. So cutie. So these are my options here. Let's see. Oh, I like the bunny one. That's cute. Oh, Judah, which sister one should I do? You pick.
I like this one a lot.
Okay, so that one. Oh, I don't like it right there though. Maybe I'll put that there.
Oh, they're both cute.
I don't know what to put there. Oh my goodness, this is such a hard decision. I'm like, can I move the photo? Okay, wait. Okay, so that's super cute. Okay, last but not least. Oh shoot. Oh no! I just put a random one there. Oh gosh. Cute. I recorded yours too. I'm freaking scared.